there's three levels of LEED. There's silver, there's gold, and there's platinum. The level to get to, say, a gold building is very difficult. It would cost, and I'll give you an example of that. I did a building that was 158,000 square feet, and it was a renovation. The building was originally built to manufacture electronic components. So it had huge air conditioning and was basically what's called a 100,000 class clean room. So that kind of air conditioning is not easily controlled. So we had to take all that out and put all new back in. And we were able to take 13 air handling units that were, some of them were as big as a house, out of this space and replace that entire 158,000 square feet with three small units. We gave back 18,000 square feet of space to the company we were working for that was once before their air handling unit area. So they were able to take that space and convert it into office space. So the savings to them was huge because they didn't have to build the building. And so throughout that entire construction process, everything that went into that building was rated as to whether it had a LEED rating. And that LEED rating has to do with off-gassing, sourcing, carbon footprint. And so, I mean, you have to basically really control every piece and part of the building to meet the criteria, because the criteria is very, very difficult to meet. We got a gold certification for this 158,000 square foot building, but I'm really sad to say that it cost $400,000 in just the requirements to track and do the submissions and have them reviewed and then have the certification. And we didn't get the certification until almost 2 years after the building was completed. It's a very difficult process, and it's an expensive process. You could get to the same places without spending the money that they make you spend to do a LEED project.
Okay.
I'm in favor of energy conservation and energy efficient buildings, but the LEED process itself has become so cumbersome that you need consultants for consultants.